Your final weekend of human resources is upon us, light beings, as is your final class of the spring semester. Let's get into it. And you are going out with a bang. On Friday, you'll be tackling labor unions, employment management, and international HR. Basically, all the ways people in organizations either get along or don't. You'll also have some time to work in your teams at the end of class. And then, Maximum Bowling Activity, MBA. Yes, that's the official name. And yes, we're taking it seriously. We're meeting at Kingpin's Alley, 375 Troy Schenectady Road in Latham. On Saturday, it's 4 group presentations, followed by course and peer evaluations after lunch. So, it doesn't look like I'll need to record a mea culpa video after all. I did hear back from ISP, and we're down to 4 who still need to complete their information in the Travel Zone app, including Adam, Jolena, Alyssa, and Kevin. It seems that the 4 of you have logged in but didn't finish entering all the information in that you need to. Speaking of the trip, we leave Friday, June 5th. Please meet at the Yankee Trails bus in the Colonial parking lot by 1 o'clock p.m. If you plan on leaving your vehicle on campus for the week, I need to inform our parking and mass transit colleagues, so please let me know. Once we're all assembled, we'll take our group photos and head out. Plan on a glamorous 15-minute stop at the Ulster Rest area, so live it up. Also, a very happy birthday to Adam, who celebrates this Friday. We see you, Adam. Now, for the important stuff, food. Friday is an Italian feast. Lasagna, stuffed shells, and arancini for our vegetarian compatriots. Greek salad, and Italian bread and butter. Saturday is Laney's. And the finishing touch, chocolate mousse cake. Last class of the semester, people. Let's make it count, and then let's bowl. See you soon.